Here's a question for you. Do you have a healthy gut? Well, here's a little test to find out if your gut is working against you or for you. This is what we call a rope sign. And if you can do this, then congratulations, you have excellent gut health. But if you can't, then stick around because I want to show you how to fix it. You see, when most people think of their gut, they think of it as one single thing, their stomach. But that's not entirely true. In fact, your gut is made up of over 100 trillion bacteria. And these bacteria are either going to help you or hurt you. And you have to pick them. So let me explain. There are two types of gut bacteria, good bacteria and bad, and they're constantly fighting each other for food. See, when you eat, especially when you eat carbs, fiber, and sugar, that food goes into your large intestine where there's a lot of bacteria. These bacteria, especially the bad ones, will fight over that food. And the winner of that fight gets to reproduce, grow, and make more of itself. So if you keep feeding the bad bacteria over and over, guess what happens? They win the war. And when that happens, you get all sorts of symptoms like bloating, gas, constipation, diarrhea, weight gain, leaky gut syndrome, autoimmune disorders, and a whole host of other problems. So what do we do about that? We feed the good bacteria so they can win the war. Okay, and that's really simple to do. All you need to do is change your diet. Now, I know this sounds too easy to be true, but the truth is that most people don't realize just how powerful their gut bacteria really is. In fact, I like to call my gut my second brain because it has more control over your health than you think. For example, did you know that your gut bacteria can influence your mood? That's right. If you have a healthy gut, you're much less likely to suffer from anxiety or depression. So if you want to feel happier and have better mental health, you need to start by improving your gut health. Another benefit of having a healthy gut is improved physical health. When you have healthy gut bacteria, you're less likely to suffer from things like irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease, and ulcerative colitis. You'll also have a stronger immune system and a lower risk of cancer. So what should you be eating to improve your gut health? Overall, you want to eat a diet that is high in fiber and low in saturated fat. This means that you should be eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains while avoiding things like butter, red meat, and processed foods. I also recommend that you take a probiotic every day to help boost the number of good bacteria in your gut. Fixing your gut is super easy to do. Just start by making small changes to your diet and take a probiotic daily. Over time, you'll start to notice a big difference in how you feel. If you'd like more tips on fixing your gut, I've linked up a video below that will show you some additional things that you can do. This is the host, and if you're ready to master your health and unlock a better life, I'd love to invite you to subscribe to my channel